Non-cooperative targets jeopardize low-altitude security, and traditional countermeasures struggle with moving targets. UAV interception has emerged as a viable solution. Due to some factors, UAVs face challenges in accurately intercepting such targets. Existing image-based visual servoing solutions are difficult to intercept targets accurately. We note that the UAV interception task is very similar to peregrine falcon hunting behavior. Drawing inspiration from it, we adapted the PNG law to UAV interception, aiming to minimize miss distance. So we proposed a PNG-based IBVS controller for precise interception. Using YOLO for target detection and Kalman filtering for estimation, our controller robustly tracks and accurately intercepts targets, mimicking falcon hunting. Real flight experiments validate the effectiveness of our algorithm. In addition, we conducted a large number of software-in-the-loop simulation experiments using Refly Sim. The experimental results demonstrate the superiority of our algorithm in terms of interception accuracy and FOV holding capability compared to recent related studies. In CEP tests, our algorithm improved metrics by up to 80.5% over previous methods, elevating interception precision from decimeters to centimeters in this scenario.